So now that we understand why we're having this partnership with Airtame and Neat, let's talk about how easy it is to use the solution. So we're here in a room with a Neat Board 50 that is running virtual Airtame that has been deployed using Pulse and App Hub. Jonas, show us how easy it is.
Happy to. So the virtual Airtame app is running on the Neat device, as you can see here in full screen mode. You can customize this layout as you want. You can connect it to a room calendar so it shows the upcoming meetings of today. You can brand the screens. You can add like dashboards, other signage content to the screens. But of course, the big thing is you can interact with it wirelessly from your own device. So top left corner, you can see a little pairing code. I'll just type that in. And then I have the option to either screen share or join a call.
Right.
In this one, we will hit join call. So it shows my upcoming video meetings. And I basically don't have to care about which type of service I'm invited to, because I just find a name and hit join meeting, and now it's calling in. The board is calling in to, and I actually don't know which one it is. We support Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, and Webex. And now the call is running up here. I still have a remote control from my phone, toggle on and off the camera, adjust speaker volume, etc. I can screen share into the call. You can screen share into the call, another colleague in the room, without having to join the call first and mute yourself. You can just type in the pairing code from your own device and connect, and then you're off to the races.
That's amazing, because if you think about traditional BYOD, since your laptop is connected to the screen, I wouldn't be able to do that.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's amazing. And it's a consistent user experience, because you said, it doesn't matter what platform you're joining, it's the same.
Exactly. Same flow for the user. And the Neat technology and the advanced features is also built in across any service.
Yeah, and I noticed here that we've got Neat Symmetry working. So whether you choose individual framing, group framing, you're going to get that same experience irrespective of what meeting platform you join.
Exactly.
This is an amazing experience.
And of course, when we're done, just hit leave meeting, and it's ready for the next session.
Thank you very much for showing that.
Of course.